Hey Robert, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go through your online presence. And first thing, I love your logo. Looking through your website here, this form, it's a call to action that is really good to have for your conversions. This click to call, same thing. One thing that I would recommend would be to have some more content on your homepage. The reason is Google has crawlers and they are crawling the internet 24/7, and so they're looking through all of the content on your page, what these photos are saved as, and they're seeing what keywords are on there. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority, and then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is this Corpus Christi Foundation Repair. And when your customers are searching this, the first thing that's popping up are some ads here. But if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses would be to have a Google business profile with more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address in other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing here. And it's important to be on this first page because 90% of people stay on the first page. And you want to be as high up as possible. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website, CC Foundation Repair. Looks like you're already beating them with the content, so let's take a look at the back end of each one. So I have the CC Foundation Repair plugged into Ahrefs, and we're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website, and they have 12 and 0.5. And what's making up their ratings here are the number of backlinks and the quality of the backlinks that they have. They have 230 backlinks coming from 38 referring domains. And what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And it is important to know that the quality of backlinks, they're not all equal. And so good quality backlinks will boost these numbers, and spammy ones will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional. And the CC Foundation Repair, they have 65 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at yours. So I have your website plugged into Ahrefs as well. And you'll have 33 and 10 coming from 3.85 thousand backlinks from 299 referring domains. And you'll have 448 keywords on your website. And so you'll have a powerful site here. And so you would want to make sure that your power is working in your favor. And so there is something going on, whether that's the quality of the links or your on-page speed, that's not having you rank higher. And so that's something that you all would want to see what's going on and then have that fixed. And so what I would recommend to get even more high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. And you would go into these backlinks that the CC Foundation Repair has and link those to your website as well, because if it's working for them to rank, it would work for you, as well as making sure you have buyer intent keywords on your website. And so here are some examples of buyer intent keywords. There's Corpus Christi Foundation Repair. 350 people are searching for this every single month. Foundation Repair Corpus Christi, 350, 100, 100, and so this list just keeps going here. And so you'd want to see what is going on that's causing your website not to be ranking, whether that's the keywords, quality of your links, or the load speed of your page. Something is working against you there. And then having some more content added to your website and buyer intent keywords. And you would want your Google business profile ranking, and so just adding more citations there so that you're getting that 30 to 40% of business there. And I hope that this video was valuable for you. I would love to hear from you. So if you'll give me a call, let me know if it was helpful or not, and I will let you know the joke of the day. Thank you for watching.